Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at marketplace e-commerce. We're going to dive into this specific feature, but we're going to not only cover the feature itself and some of the benefits of this feature, we're also going to take a look at real world examples and some different iterations of this specific scenario for marketplace e-commerce. We're also going to talk a little bit about some of the permutations or iterations that you might see around this feature. And then we're going to wrap up. And if you can stick around till the end of the video, going to have an opportunity to take advantage of some complementary resources that we have available to you as it relates to marketplace e-commerce. With that said, let's dive in. Marketplace e-commerce address books. This is a really key aspect of making it very easy for the user to manage their account successfully. And this is something that most users just simply expect nowadays. Now, here you can see an example of an address book, and we're basically showing a couple of addresses that they already have listed. And we have a little toggle with some nice little icons showing whether it's a default shipping, a default billing, and then we have little icons showing that it's the address portion, the phone, the fax, the email, and just making it really easy visually for the user to understand what's going on. Now, whenever they're managing their address, they have the ability to add additional addresses, and we can do some really important things here. Like we can allow them to establish a nickname that is logical to them, and we can allow them to specify which item types or categories, or really depends on your business logic, but which would use different default addresses, especially if you have a multi-company, multi-location scenario. You may want to set up even more advanced logic around which addresses get used in which situation. Tying address information to certain billing information. That can be really helpful too. The other thing that's really big with the address book is address verification and making sure that the addresses can be verified, especially if there's a discount or benefit from a fee perspective with the different payment providers that you offer to having fully verified address information. This can be really helpful to prevent fraud within your marketplace e-commerce platform. Ultimately, the address book is a really simple thing that most people are expecting, but you want it to be very robust and capable of handling the different scenarios your business has. Whenever you're moving from one marketplace e-commerce platform to another, how are you going to bring the content, including the address information, from the old platform to a new one? If you are integrating with an ERP or an accounting software, how are you going to integrate that data seamlessly between the address book on the ERP or accounting software and the marketplace platform as well? These are some key questions that we encourage you to think about. As you continue to scale, these are going to be areas that are going to be big opportunities for failure or success in offering your users a self-service type of model that's really powerful. With that said, we also offer complementary resources in the subsequent part of this video. And I hope that was helpful to you as you continue on your career and really your work with marketplace e-commerce. Thanks for watching this video on marketplace e-commerce. In this particular edition, we went into quite a bit of detail. However, we want you to know that we have complementary resources that you can download for free that give you a summary and a cheat sheet on key aspects of marketplace e-commerce. In particular, we go into quite a bit of detail around a checklist. It can be really helpful when upfront planning for a marketplace e-commerce project. We also have go live steps and optimization steps around various different aspects of running the marketplace, making it self-service, setting up the governance rules, optimizing for organic SEO, performance, security tuning, and really the list goes on. We certainly encourage you to take a look at those links in the description. And as always, if you would like to, we encourage you to go to town on that like button. Certainly feel free to subscribe so you can get notifications about additional videos like this. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.